Once again, welcome to Genius Academy of Physics and Mathematics. In this episode, we are going to learn about inertia. So first of all, what is meant by inertia? In simple terms, we shall see. Okay, so I am giving you a 10 kilogram of object to lift it. Okay, a small medium built person, I am giving him or asking him to push a 10 kilogram of object. He can push the object very easily, right? In the same way, if I am going to give him 1 kilogram of object, he can push it very easily, right? In the same way, I am going to ask him to move 100 kilogram of object or 150 kilogram of object. I am going to give him and ask him to push it. Okay, make the object to move from one place to the other. Okay, so at that point of time, he cannot push the object from that place to the other place, even a single bit. He have to spend more energy to push it. In the same way, if I ask him to move a 500 kilogram of object, that is half a ton of object, to move from one place to the other place, he cannot even move it, right? So this resistance, why do this happen? This is because of the resistance offered by the object to move. The object is telling that I won't move from this place, I'll be at rest, right? So this resistance offered by the object is called as inertia. Okay, so different object possesses different inertia. Like heavy object possesses heavy inertia, whereas lighter object possesses lighter inertia. So from this we can tell that the resistance offered by any object to move. Simply we can tell that the resistance offered by the object is said to be inertia. Okay, so there are different types of inertia, like inertia of rest, inertia of motion, and inertia of direction, and we shall see these type of inertias in the upcoming classes. Before that, inertia is also said to be a mass of the object, or mass of the object is also defined as, we have seen that mass is said to be amount of matter contained in an object. The same way, the inertia offered by any object is also called as mass. Inertia offered by any object is, as I told already, that 1 kilogram can be moved very easily because the inertia there is less. In the same way, 10 kilogram is average, or 100 kilogram is heavy, right? So as the mass increases, the inertia also increases there. Clear? So we can call mass is also termed as the inertia offered by any object. If you like the video, please click on the thumbs up button, like, comment, share and subscribe. If there is any query, put it in the query box, and if you don't like, press the thumbs down button. And we have got a WhatsApp group, you can share it, you can join the group in that link, and also a website is available, you can check out the website. Thank you.